Who wants to sit where?
What is it, game show? Come on, let's just get it done.
You ready?
Alright, great.
Do it.
Okay.
George eats the first cupcake.
I do. I do not think this is going to go well for George. George is not yet completely hungry.
Oh,
And
neither am I.
I'm so hungry.
You ate breakfast?
Mm-hmm.
That's a bad...
Oh, these are good.
How's that milk there, Nick? Does it help?
It's expanding my stomach for more.
Oh, okay. So basically what you're saying is you're cheating and are now not able to
It's
win
good
the...
strategy.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Any expert will tell you, whether it's by an inch.
I think we
or
need to test you guys for steroids just to make sure. What do you guys say?
Look, my blood naturally pumps steroids.
Uh-huh.
We're 11. 11.
11.
Scott, you're eating way faster than
This is
us.
no problem.
George is slowing down though. He's on like 3. Little baby.
I'm not slowing
girl.
down, I'm accelerating.
Accelerating your demise.
You guys are aging faster because I'm going so fast.
Eat this one.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. One more to go and then I got 15. George has taken the strategy of just letting the cupcakes cause him pain so that he will be cut out early.
No, I'm taking the strategy of
Avoid.
letting them sift into my intestine.
Really good. Good. So the knife goes to the winner.
Okay.
Unless it's Scott, but it won't be.
Yeah. No.
It'll be me.
If I get it, I just throw it out the window.
You're not gonna get it. I'm gonna get it.
I'm gonna bury it in the yard and see if you guys can find it.
Like a chocolate demented squirrel or something.
Yeah.
Choco squirrel.
So you need another card for this one.
How you doing there, George?
Oh, you know.
You're probably not even gonna make 14, are you? I've probably already beaten you.
How's it going over there, Scott? I may not have beat you, but at least I will be less sick than you.
How's it going? You doing alright?
What is he chewing? Oh, the taste of defeat? I'm larger.
Look, I mean, this is all donut jellies. What's,
I'm a cupcake.
You got nothing. I got a lot.
My abs are like a cupcake trash compactor.
Ooh, laughing feels pretty good. It doesn't want to go in, alright?
It wants to go in, it goes in!
Hi, George.
6,
You look ready to die.
9, 10.
There are people starving in the world.
Oh.
Not us. George, being defeated, reverts to his natural state of cleaning the house.
You gotta have somewhere to put the vomit when Nick goes.
I don't think that bag's gonna be big enough.
Oh, that's gross.
Really?
Yeah.
I pressed it on.
Well, it has a red light now.
Oh. Ow.
We're bad people.
This is a bad experiment.
16,
Don't count.
20, 21,
No way.
22, Oh, this worked out right.
Yeah?
You like, I don't know, probably get like 32 more of these, whatever. Turn all those calories into muscle.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be so ripped tomorrow.
I don't want to think about food anymore. Let's talk about something else.
Okay,
Yeah, like-
so a double layered chocolate cake covered with full pork gravy frosting and
That's not something
rotted
else.
chicken, lutefisk drizzled in rotted cheese sauce, a congealed rarebit.
Nick is trying to kill himself, I think.
And decored, arranged around the edges is nice strips of
Bacon grease molded
bacon
into
grease covered liver,
Oh.
chickens.
Oh wow. I'm still feeling it.
You're not gonna stop feeling it for at least the rest of the day.
Ooh.
I'm good to go. Okay, I'll stop
Nick lays out his conquests. This is cupcake number 32. Number 32. Nick is now having his 33rd cupcake with nerds on top to commemorate his soundly beating us